Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn a normal photo into a beautiful Christmas snow animation using ToonFace app. This effect is perfect for Christmas content, social media posts, or just for fun. And and the best part, ToonFace has a free plan with weekly credit. Okay, let's get started. First, just open the ToonFace app. If you don't have it yet, just go to Play Store and then just download it from there. And once it's installed, just open the app and simply log in using your Google account. And don't worry, ToonFace will provide free weekly credit, so you can just try this effect, just try these animations without paying anything. And then next, after logging in, you will land on the home page like this. And then next, just simply tap on Magic Effect. This one, just tap on it. This is where all the animated effects are located. And then next, just scroll to the effects list until you find the Christmas themes one. The Christmas theme ones that called Xmas Snowy. This one, just tap on it. This effect will add falling snow and a cozy Christmas atmosphere to your photo. And then next, just choose the photo or upload the photo that you want to transform. Just tap on plus button like this. And then next, for the best result, just use a clear photo with a visible face like this. And when you're done, just tap on confirm. And then next, just simply tap on create. This one, it will take one credit. Just tap on it. Okay, like this, your animations is ready. You can just see the result. It looks so good and incredible. It looks like the real snow like this. It's so beautiful. And okay, that's how easy it is to turn a photo into a Christmas snow animation using ToonFace. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.